Hey everyone, it's Komi Afetse here, and today I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to join the US Army in 2024. Whether you're looking for a career change, seeking educational opportunities, or wanting to serve your country, this video will provide you with all the information you need. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about eligibility. To join the US Army, you need to meet certain requirements. You must be between 17 and 34 years old, be a US citizen or permanent resident, and have a high school diploma or GED. If you're under 18, you'll need parental consent. Here's a quick checklist. Age 17 to 34, US citizen or permanent resident, high school diploma or GED, pass the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery or Iswap Test, meets medical, physical, and moral standards. Next up is the Iswap Test. The Iswap measures your knowledge and skills in various areas. It's crucial to score well, as it determines which Army jobs you're eligible for. There are plenty of resources online to help you prepare, so make sure to study and practice. Once you're ready, you can schedule your Iswap test at a military entrance processing station, or MEPS. The Iswap is just one part of the MEPS process, which also includes a medical exam, background check, and meeting with a career counselor. At MEPS, you'll undergo a thorough medical examination to ensure you're fit for service. This includes vision and hearing tests, blood and urine tests, and a physical exam. Be honest about your medical history to avoid any issues later on. After passing the Iswap and medical exam, you'll meet with a career counselor to discuss your job options based on your Iswap scores and interests. The counselor will help you find a role that fits your skills and career goals. Once you've chosen your job, you'll sign an enlistment contract. This contract outlines your commitment, job, and benefits. Make sure you understand all the terms before signing. Congratulations! After signing your contract, you'll take the oath of enlistment, officially becoming a soldier in the United States Army. From here, you'll head to Basic Combat Training, or BCT, where you'll learn the skills needed to succeed as a soldier. BCT is a challenging and rewarding experience that lasts about 10 weeks. You'll undergo physical training, learn combat skills, and develop discipline and teamwork. And that's it. You've now joined the United States Army. Remember, serving in the Army is a commitment that comes with great responsibility and honor. Make the most of the opportunities available to you, and always strive to be the best soldier you can be. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. Stay safe and take care.